Tony Keaton from Kansas City, Missouri.
My name is Juan Pliego. I am from Portland, Oregon.
My name is Daniel Contreras from Los Gatos, California.
My name is Edgar Colio. I'm from Torrance, California.
Nancy Cassidy. I am from Mammoth Lakes, California.
My name is Yarlin. I'm from Jersey.
Hi, my name is David Lloyd and I'm from San Diego, California.
My name is Cabino Munoz. I'm from the Desert Hot Springs, California.
I'm Fabian Molina from El Paso, Texas.
I'm Joshua Carter from Compton, California.
My name is Hector Sanchez from Stockton, California.
My name is Robert Sindelar. I'm from Encino, California.
I'm an entrepreneur, looking at different business adventures, things of that nature, so I'm here.
Well, I've been always wanted to do detailing, and feel like maybe I should have gotten more information about it, so I came here.
I made the choice between Detail Kings and Chemical Guys, and you guys won. So
I decided to come in here because I wanted to learn the business and get my own detailing business going.
I am hoping to add auto detailing services to an existing auto repair business.
I look to open up my own mobile detailing business, and I learned a lot.
I had little experience in the detailing and the business aspect, and I wanted to get more hands-on experience, and yeah.
I have been wanting to go to a class for a long time. I looked at several courses online, and to tell you the truth, you guys were more persistent.
I wanted to get a general information and a bigger picture of what the detail business is all about.
I just been thinking about doing detailing, so I just wanted to get the more business outlook on it, really, more than anything. And you guys' price was really reasonable.
I decided to attend a class to get more knowledge on the whole how to run a car detailing business.
I've been looking to start my own detail business, and I wanted to learn as much of the in and outs as possible.
It was amazing information, good information. I would actually recommend it to someone else.
A lot of information, a lot of good information actually. A lot of information I probably wouldn't get anywhere else. So.
Lots of information, very informational as well, and I'm going to definitely take some of that, the strategies and tactics home and use them.
It was interesting. I got a lot of information. I really didn't know much, and I got it from here.
It was very informational. Even though I have business on-hand experience, I did get many takeaways.
I found it very informational.
It was really informational. I'm hoping to start my own business later on with my friend, and this really did help me.
Oh, it was awesome. Very informative. I got a lot of little tricks that I learned. Been doing it for a while, but learning new stuff, it helps a lot.
It was great. It went in depth and it's pretty specific.
Dealing class was very informative. I learned a lot of things that I really haven't thought of that I would take in when I start this on.
Man, I loved it. I got so much information that I didn't know about, and I'm ready to go home just to keep doing some more research on it.
It was great. It's an insane amount of information. I'm ready to put it all to work.
Hands-on was amazing. Learn wash to extracting, so come on out.
It was really good. I was doing a lot of things, so yeah.
It was great. It was helping other detailers here was very important to myself because I've been doing it for a little bit.
Enjoyed it very much, and I learned a lot.
It was excellent. Learned a lot of stuff.
Found it, I learned a lot. Yeah.
Hands-on training was really informative. I learned a lot that I didn't have any experience in before, and I'm hoping it would help you down the line.
Really good. I learned a lot of good little tricks to get my job done a lot faster, but still be productive and be, looking good.
It was pretty detailed, and it's an eye opener.
Hands-on training was amazing. It was just very good, just working on cars and you were actually doing the job yourself for a client.
At first I was like a little nervous because I never had no experience of using a DA, but after today, I went to go buy one and start practicing.
It was fun, gave me a lot of confidence, learned an insane amount of tips and tricks from all the great detailers here, so I'm ready.
Yes, sir. I would.
Yeah, I actually have a couple people in mind already, so.
Definitely would. Definitely refer somebody.
I sure will.
I would definitely refer someone to a future class.
Yes, I definitely will.
Oh yeah, I already have 3 people in mind that I will tell about, and hopefully they'll take this course as well.
Yes, I would, especially if they're gonna work for me.
Yes, I would.
Yes, I sure will.
Yes, I sure will.
100%.